Hi students, here is a important announcement from Icai regarding the relaxation in study period for the students appearing for May 2022 intermediate examination. And this is especially for students who have qualified CA foundation examination in July 2021 attempt and who are going to write CA intermediate in May 2022 attempt. All of you know that we need to have 8-month study period after CA foundation results and for writing CA intermediate examination. But this time a relaxation is given that instead of 8 months, a study period of 6 months is enough, and an announcement is made by ICAI regarding that issue. So in order to remove the hardship caused to the students due to the postponement of May 2021 foundation examination, the competent authorities have decided that the students who have cleared July 2021 foundation examination, those students, they can register for CA Inter till November 1, 2021. That means you can make your registrations for CA Inter up to October 31, 2021, and those students who made their registrations before November 1, 2021, they are made eligible to write CA Inter examinations in May 2022 attempt. That means in general you need to have 8 months of study period. But this time, due to the postponement of the examinations, ICAI, in order to remove the hardships to the students, it has taken a very good positive decision to reduce the study period from 8 months to 6 months. So even if you get yourself registered for CA Inter on October 31st, 2021, still you can attempt May 2022 CA intermediate examinations. So this is definitely a positive news to the students who have been qualified their CA foundation in the recently announced results. Thank you.